I'm Dr. Deepak Jha and I'm the clinical lead in breast surgery at Artemis Hospital in Gurugram. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in India, comprising nearly 14% of all cancers. This rate is also increasing at nearly 1 to 5% every year. Overall, 1 in 22 ladies in urban India is likely to develop breast cancer over her lifetime. Early detection of breast cancer is the best possible way to ensure better cure rates and survival. And that is why a lot of effort has gone in terms of breast cancer awareness. If we are more aware, we can pick up the disease early and ensure a better survival. Even then, only 30% of our patients present at an early stage of disease, with nearly 10% presenting when the disease has already spread. A lot of advancements have taken place in the last few years in the field of breast cancer treatment. In our Department of Breast Cancer Surgery here at Artemis, we try to do the maximum cancer control with the minimum amount of surgery required. That is why we use all the latest international protocols and guidelines. Our aim is always to give hidden scars, to preserve the natural breast, and if not possible, then reconstruct the breast at the same time of removal surgery. We are among the very few centers in the country with an extensive experience in using a DIF flap for breast reconstruction, in which we use the excess tummy fat to make the breast back. We also make use of chemotherapy and other targeted therapies, and also certain genetic tests that determine the risk and help our patients avoid chemotherapy if they are suitable. Hopefully, with better awareness about the disease and timely treatment, we can save many of the lives that are currently being lost to breast cancer. As long as we are aware, we spread the knowledge, we can definitely fight this deadly disease.